What's up, everybody? Today we're going to go over how to trade Fibonacci like a boss. All right, this is a playback from the trade that I took earlier today. I opened up the charts on Bitcoin and I noticed a swing low, a swing high, a lower low, and a lower high, indicating a downtrend. Decided to pull Fibonacci on the most recent swing low to swing high. And it's going off the close of the bars, close of the candles. Right there. Boom. All right. And I noticed a couple things. Running this Fibonacci, we have structure at the 0, 618, the 236, down to the 718, and then up to the 1. So this would indicate that this is a respected Fibonacci level. And the strategy for today is to do a 618 play. We came close a couple times. It looked like there was entry ability. So we are trying to get into a trade of a retracement to the 618. And when there's a 618 from a move up, you can expect most of the time a pullback to the 0.5 or the 618, which would be the 382 level. Coming down, this would be the 382, and this would be the 618. It's in reverse. So pretty much definitely you're going to get this movement, and a lot of times you're going to get that movement as well, and a range in here before it decides if it goes down or if it goes up. Given that this is a downtrend, we don't want to go for more than the 618. The 618 would be amazing, but a pretty in the pocket trade would be the 618 to the 0.5 level. So a little bit of patience. Watch the charts move, waiting for the setup that you want, and then boom, right there. So what I saw right there was the price entering the 618 zone, and then a sign of strength, a large wick from a key level right there. So the strategy is when you have a sign of a show of strength from a 618, you don't want to get it up here. You want to wait for a retracement and then enter the trade and have your profit targets right here and right here. So given the amount of movement that there is, the amount of volatility, not that much on a Sunday afternoon. Markets are not open yet. This is a pretty tight range, so we were able to get in with 125 leverage. All right, so I set a trigger buy for this area right here with a profit target of at the 0.5. I put it a little bit beneath the 0.5, and the stop loss a little bit below the previous low right there. All right, so that's where I had a trade right there. Boom. And you can see it was a 3-to-1 risk to reward, exactly 3-to-1. So I put in $500, and what I'm going to show you right now is how to trade essentially with zero risk, to manage all your risk, that even if the trade doesn't work the way that you thought it would, you still make a lot of money. So I had a $500 margin, and I broke it into 2 trades. I closed half the trade. I had half the amount close at the 0.5 and the other half close at the 618. So this was my setup. My entry and exit points are already laid in, and I go back to my business and I take a break and let the charts work for you. So let's see what happened. Boom, right there, right here. The trigger order was triggered, and we are in the trade, still within our stop loss area, doing really well. So we're going for a 618 to 0.5 retracement. Let's see what happens. Boom. All right. At that point, I closed half of my $500 position at a 3-to-1 risk to reward, and I was up $750 profit. And I set the second trade the stop loss to break even. Right here, I actually had about $4 above break even. So I'm already up $750 right here at this point, and I am letting the other half ride. So this way, I recommend closing half your position and taking profits. Absolutely take profits, especially in markets like this. They're so volatile. If you're going for a 618, you don't want to be in profit and then have it go down to zero. You want to be able to walk away with something. So I'm up $750. The second trade is a 4-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So that's another $1,000 right there. We're going for total $1,750, 500 on the line, and we are already $750 in profit. So let's see what happens. Boom. All right. So this is a really important lesson, and this is why it's important, absolutely important, to take profits. Take profits here, because the trade went in a sideways manner. It went in a way that we weren't expecting. It is a downtrend. We noticed that earlier. Higher high, lower low, lower high, and now we can expect a lower low, right? So this is why we don't want to be stuck in a bad trade over there. So we had a potential of $1,750, but we walked away with $750. And that was a good trade. That was a good trade for the for a Sunday afternoon. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Absolutely. I'll take 750 any day of the week. Any day of the week.
That is how you make money in a bear market. The most important thing about this trade was taking profits. Don't be greedy. These markets are too tight to not walk away with anything. And if you were waiting for a 618 to 382 retracement, you would have walked away with zero. Take half, let the other half ride. That way you got dinner tonight. This brings up another point. If you're a trader and you don't have any money, you need a quick side hustle, I got promo codes for Lyft and Uber. Both of them have bonuses for returning drivers. Earlier this year, I was a silver trader and I could not trade during the Ukraine war situation. So I went out and I drove Lyft. I passed 2 FTMO challenges, including a $14,500 day shorting the NASDAQ. All right, now I don't have to do that anymore. So if you got money problems, I don't want to hear about it. Use my promo code and go get some money in your pocket. We're 2 weeks on, 1 week off, seems to work. All right, and the goal is that we don't have to work anymore. So please like, follow my videos, and I will show you how to print. Just get in the comments, ask me questions, whatever we have to do to keep this thing going. But this is Electric Buddha, and looking forward to seeing you again. Peace out.